Pwede na kumain.
Sige, go.
Wow!
Hi, RC and JM. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm good. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much.
How is Last Full Show different from your past projects?
Well, my last projects are mostly all about moving on from a heartbreak, from a relationship that didn't work. So this time around, Last Full Show, it's because my character here as Mayesa is a director. She goes back, she has to go back and yung retrieve some of her memories in the past with her ex-boyfriend to be able to write a story for her movie. Imbes na kagaya ng mga nagawa ko before na how to move on, ito naman, binalikan pa niya yung kanyang previous relationship. So, yun, na parang ito ginamit niya yung relationship niya, yung sa ex niya, para to make something positive na out of it. Like making a movie. So, yun.
Ako, what makes it different and special is I'm working with my longtime friend, Mona. Isa yun sa kine-excite ko sa paggawa ng movie kasi yung buong experience, sobrang saya. Sobrang wala na tayo naglaro eh. Pero yung ayoko na rin mag-giveaway masyado din sa story. Marami rin reason. Pero yun yung mga nauunang naramdaman ko.
Sa dami nung nagawa mo, simula ng bata ka, JM de Guzman, ano ang special dito sa Last Full Show? Ano pinagkaiba nito sa Ang TV?
Walang yay!
Meron!
Meron ba?
Oo, ano ka ba ginagawa natin yun kaya?
Pero abangan niyo yan.
Can you introduce your character?
Per character, here, I am Mayesa and Isa. We have two characters, by the way. So mine is Mayesa as the director and Isa as the character while I'm writing the story. Ni-imagine ko siya. So, yung na-portray ko din as Isa. So, dalawa yung character ko dito.
Solid to.
Siya din.
Ako naman si Dre and Paolo. POV ni Mayesa as the director. As Paolo, ang nakikita niya is ako, yung ex niya. Sa pelikula niya. Though, hindi talaga ako yung gumaganap. And Paolo, as her real-life boyfriend, ex, na yun, dun kami medyo merong something na kailangan ayusin.
How similar are you with your character?
Siguro yun kung meron akong na-experience na something from my ex, ginagamit ko yun as a motivation para makapag-prepare sa something na mas importante. Sa mga kagaya sa mga eksena ko sa pelikula, ginagamit ko rin yun. Pag yung mga memories, kailangan ko minsan balikan para maiyak ako or something like that.
He's insecure like me. Dependent. Minsan, hindi niya ma-express yung sarili niya. Hindi siya straightforward. Siya duwag.
Describe the movie in 3 words.
Fun. It's fun.
Lovely.
Rom-com.
Beautiful.
How was it working with each other?
Well, I've known JM for quite some time, like 15 years na. Pero first time ko siya makatrabaho. So, para lang kami naglalaro. Para kami nasa bakasyon. Kasi shoot namin yung pelikula sa Boracay. So, para lang kami nagbabakasyon habang nag-work. Ano masasabi mo? Wala kang masabi? Mahal mo ko nakatrabaho?
Ako, kasi ever since na hindi namin nagkita, since nung college, I'm really proud of her. Kung nasan siya, yung mga accomplishments niya. It was really a dream to work with her.
Wow.
Na-excite talaga ako nung nalaman ko na nakatrabaho.
Ako din naman.
And makakatrabaho pa. So, kasi masaya, hindi siya, wala siyang ere, wala siyang kanto. Kailangan niya maging kanto, kailangan niya social. Kaya may switch siya dun. Sarap siya kasama sa trabaho. Kain ka pa.
Oo nga, ang hirap pala magsalita, no?
Mukhang daan.
Oo, mamaya. Nasanla ko yung sing-sing ko. Ako din. Actually, I was also looking forward in doing a project with JM kasi dati kami yung mga inutos-utusan sa teatro, sa backstage. So, hindi ko talaga pumasok sa isip ko na pwede pala kami mag-love team kasi parang kaming brothers and parang siyang, he's part of my family, parang ganyan. He's close to my brother, my sisters, and also sila tito tsaka sila tita. Very magaan yung pakiramdam ko sa kanila. So, I think makikita yun sa pelikulang ginawa namin na kung talagang gaano kami ka-close in real life. We're really comfortable with each other. Walang mga awkward moments. For me, I don't know with them. Wala.
What's the most memorable thing that's happened while shooting the movie?
Wala.
Jellyfish? Hindi tayo mga talon.
Madami. One example, yun. Tsaka yung first time namin mag-mermaid. First time namin mag-mermaid. In Boracay. JM, takot pala sa cliff. Na cliff dive. So, takot siya sa heights. Pero ginawa niya. Walang stunt double yan. Kami talaga yung tumalon. And, siguro, mostly, all of our scenes in Boracay. Because whenever I go to Boracay, I usually just stay in the beach area and in the hotel. So, while doing the film, we were able to do the activities para na meron sa Boracay. So, it's really exciting. Every day, because we stayed there for 5 days, and every day we're looking forward, what activities are we gonna do next. So, ayun, the most memorable, syempre na kasama ko siya. And, we're just having fun. We're here to have fun. Yeah.
What's your ultimate favorite rom-com?
Wedding Singer.
My best friend's wedding. Pareho my wedding. And I just saw this recent lang because my mom, she was like, actually I saw it way back. I was a kid, I don't remember. Tapos pinanood yung mommy ko. Sabi niya, mga napanoorin mo ito maganda. Sabi ko, oh nga, galing. Galing niya. Madami, tsaka 500 Days of Summer.
Oy.
If you were to recommend one movie for each other, what would it be?
Kahit anong genre. Baka napanood mo na eh.
Split.
Spirited Away. Alam mo yun?
Spirited
Cartoons. Hayao Miyazaki. Sobrang ganda nun. Ano ka lang. He'll take you to a spiritual world. Or Paprika. Basta mga anime. Napanood ko na yung Split eh. Very Spirited Away, hindi pa napapanood. You have to recommend another one because I've seen that.
Ano yung next na Split?
Glass?
Glass.
That one. We have to sit together.
Sige, yan.
If you haven't.
What movie title would best describe your love life?
Pag-ibig sa Chinatown. Sorry. Chinese ka rin jowa ko. Ito. Tulala. Hindi.
Ano nga sa...
Romance in Chinatown. Yes. Romance in Banawe. Yung sa'yo. Deprived.
Okay na yun. Hindi siya masaya eh. Yan.
Hindi. Single. Ganda ng title no na rom-com. Single.
If you were to create your own film, what would it be about?
Nasabi ko na to, no? Ano ba yun akin? Basta yung sa'yo, sabi mo yung tungkol sa rehab. Yung mga hindi nila alam sa loob ng rehab. Eh, ano yung akin? Kalimutan ko.
Sa'yo, teka. Horror na tayo gusto mo eh.
Gusto ko horror.
Horror na.
Gusto ko horror na na 3D. Gusto ko yung may gusto ko yung may audience interaction.
Ano yun? Parang ano yun?
May nilaro akong ganun kasi sa Japan eh. Well, anyway, horror rin gusto. Hilig ako sa horror movies eh.
What's the last movie that made you cry?
Hachiko. Marami. Big Fish.
Warrior.
Who are the top 5 artists you listen to on Spotify?
Post Malone. Post Malone. Slipknot. Korn. Rob Zombie. And Five Finger Death Punch.
Oh, John Mayer.
How's John Mayer, by the way? You lucky
Yes.
guy. Really?
Solid.
The
John
Grats.
Mayer, Jack Johnson, The Fray, Eminem,
I love that.
saka Tupac.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Sweet Child of Mine.
Ako,
Kanta mo.
Coldplay. Come up to meet ya. Puro hangin.
Eh, yung akin, ganito ang boses ko.
Banat.
She's got a smile that it seems to be reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky. Ang
Falsetto
ganda.
namin.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda nun. Ganda.
Ayup.
Sorry.
Hinihingan mo.
Sorry po. Yun na po yung last na. Tsaka po yung laklak. Last ko na po. Ayoko na.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Watch Netflix. Watch my Korean novelas.
What are your 5 most used apps on your phone right now?
Instagram.
Instagram. YouTube.
Visco.
Netflix.
Netflix.
Facebook. Viber.
Viber. And,
Telegram.
ano pa ba?
Waze.
Waze, yeah. And Google.
Spotify.
Spotify, yeah.
If you could go anywhere right now with each other, where would you go?
Audio.
Ayoko doon, iwan na
Hindi
kita.
ka makapag-sexy-sexy dun. Malamig dun.
Kasi may sabi sa'yo, mahilig ako sa snow. Gusto ko sa Hokkaido. Mag-snowboard
Sige,
tayo.
yan. Magkakasunod tayo sa Hokkaido.
O kaya, ano ba hindi pa napupuntahan? Na hindi ko rin napupuntahan pa.
Russia.
Sige.
Russia
Sige.
tayo. Sige. Sa Amsterdam.
Nakapunta na ako.
Amsterdam. Russia na.
How's the food you're eating?
It's very good.
Just stop eating.
Hindi, kanina pa ako kumakain ng ganito, promise. Natikman ko yung margarita.
It's really good. You wanna try?
Solid. It's very creative and rich.
Kahit na mawala na yung boss ko, okay lang.
Kaya,
We're worth it.
What's your skincare routine?
we are endorsers of
Wow.
Faces and Fruit. We pamper ourselves there pag may oras. Bakit totoo naman eh.
Like every day. Every day. Basta magtanggal ng makeup. Saka maghilamos. Gamit ko Pansman.
Ako perla.
Hindi ako nagluloko. Nakita mo yung kutis ng jowa ko. Gamit ng Pansman. Sabi ko, paano kaya magkakutis kagaya ng kutis ni Anton? Pansman. Naglagay pa ng pangalan. Basta, you wash your face, you remove your makeup, and you wash your face every day. Tapos moisturize. Yun lang.
Sleep.
All the basic stuff.
8
And
hours.
Then, yeah, sleep. And then you eat lots and lots of chocolate. Dark.
Sleep like a baby, ah. Ano yung tulog baby?
Yung baby, yung bilis magising.
Hindi yun talaga yung nasa langit.
Ano ka, tulog ng lasing, ganun, nakainom.
Parang ganun.
Yung baby, isang ganyan ko lang, nagigising pamangkin ko. Sobrang dahan-dahan ka dapat. Paglasing, wala.
Would you rather be the person who leaves or the person who is left behind?
Left behind na lang, or wala. Wala doon, parehong masakit yun
Oo,
eh.
nasubukan ko pareho yun.
Pero,
Walang mapapatunayan yun.
parehong mas, ano mas okay? Yung
Pareho
taho
naman
o yung ano? Ah,
Pareho lang.
ako, na-try ko, pero para sa akin, mas masakit yung ako yung maiwan.
Sa pride.
Hindi, mas masakit lang na naiwan, na ako yung naiwan. Sa tatlong lalaking dumaan sa buhay ko. Dalawa dun yung niloko. So, masakit. Yung isa, ako yun ang iwan. Mahirap, pero parang mas madali sa akin nag-let go. Parehong mahirap eh. Pero para sa akin, mas masakit yung maiwan. Tagal ko mag-move on, pare. 6 years.
Yun nga yung una na-try ko na rin yun. Ako yung naiwan. Sakit nga. Tama. So, nung pangalawa, tinry ko na...
Tinry mo o nagkataon lang naman na ano?
Hindi, parang kahit ayoko, parang pinilit ko na para may matira sa akin. O kaya yung makipag-iwalay.
Uy, ang sarap nito!
Sarap ba?
Oo, Brad! Tignan mo! Sarap, sarap. Ah. Sarap. Sarap. Kunin mo yung crust.
Pero ganun pa rin eh.
Sarap.
Pareho lang, basag ka pareho.
Depende sa tao.
Yung sarili mo.
Do you believe in second chances?
Hmm.
Depende sa tao tsaka sa nagawa. Anong nangyari sa inyo? Bakit deserve ba niya mabigyan ng second chance? Kung sobrang naman siya ng ginawa niya, kagaya ng ex ko na nakabuntis, edi wag na. Di ba? Bibigyan mo natin ng second chance yun? Hindi! Ay, may sagot ka pala.
Do you believe in second chances?
Of course. Yes. Ako pa ba yung tatanungin?
Ilan chances ba yung pinagbigyan mo?
Hindi, ilang beses ba ako
Ilan-
pinagbigyan?
Ilan chances binigay sa'yo?
3. Ay!
Bago tuluyan na mulat ang kanyang mga mata.
Third na to, third.
Ako nga 10 times eh.
Oh, that
Oh,
chances. Kasi
binigyan ko pa 10. Hindi lang second eh.
Saliwa
My
yung
third,
ano eh,
my
saliwa yung it's okay to make mistakes in life because you will learn, tapos walang chances. Parang saliwa,
Ah,
diba?
paano kung malalang malala yung ginawa?
Oo naman, depende sa intention. Kung masama talaga yung intention mo, tapos puro mali yung nakita, edi depende yun. Pero kung maganda naman yung intention mo, tapos nadapa ka lang talaga ng natural. Talaga.
Maganda yan.
Pwede
Maganda
pang
yan. Yung nadapa ka lang na natural.
Pwede pang matuto.
Yung pwede ka pang bumangon. Yung may chance ka pa. Yung nadapa ka lang eh. Meron pa.
Would you go back to an ex?
Ngayon, hindi na. So happy with my life.
No. So happy with my life.
Last question. What's your advice to someone who wants to give their ex another chance?
Well, you have to weigh everything, of course. Everything that happened to you and your ex, you have to rethink everything. Does he deserve a second chance? Now, if you think that this person will break your heart again, then don't. It's that easy. But, then again, it's hard to judge. Kasi, malay mo naman, it just really depends on the circumstances. If he cheated or something like that, based on my experience, it's hard to give a person the 100% trust that you gave him during the first trial. Yung pag binigyan mo siya ng isang chance, another chance. Like, ilang percent yung assurance mo na hindi niya nauulit. Yun. So, it really depends sa mga nagawa niya. Yun. What's the question again? Ay, ikaw naman.
Sa akin, it's up to you. Ikaw lang makakapagsabi yun.
Depende nga.
Kung meron pang mag-rekindle sa puso mo na parang pagbigyan sa...
Rekindle. Rekindle.
Rekindle. Pero pag wala na talaga, walang rason.
Depende talaga yan sa inyo. Depende sa sitwasyon. Minsan, you know, the heart wants what it wants. But again, you have to use your head also. No, not just your heart. Okay? Or else, the heart will be broken and then your brain will scatter everywhere. You know, it will be everywhere. Pag broken-hearted ka, you tend to do crazy stuff. That's me. Okay? Just look at me. That's why I'm like this, you know?
Huwag niyo nang bigyan ng sugar to ulit.
So you gotta play everything. Depends on you.
Hi guys!
Hello, everybody.
Enjoy.
Everyone. And I am RC. Thank you so much to everyone who have seen our movie Last Full Show. And to those who haven't seen it yet, please watch our movie Last Full Show. I hope you guys enjoyed, those people who've seen it. And
You can buy tickets from...
click the city, okay? You can purchase your tickets ng Last Full Show here on Click the City. And you can also check the schedules of our movies and the cinemas where we're gonna be playing.